Motivation is the underlying factor, I believe, in everything that we do on a daily basis. If you don't have motivation in something that you do, then you really can't achieve what it is that you want to achieve.
Motivasi adalah faktor utama dalam semua yang kita lakukan setiap hari. Jika kita tidak memiliki motivasi, kita tidak bisa benar-benar mencapai apa yang ingin kita capai.
Everyone has motivation for things that they're passionate about, things that interest you, things that inspire you. And of course you'll have motivation if you play a sport, if you're in drama, if you're in band, you'll have motivation to accomplish that task. But the true test of finding motivation is if you can find it in something that doesn't.
Setiap orang punya motivasi untuk hal-hal yang mereka sukai, yang menarik dan menginspirasi. Misalnya dalam olahraga, drama, atau band, kita punya dorongan untuk mencapai sesuatu. Tapi tantangan sebenarnya adalah menemukan motivasi dari hal yang tidak kita sukai.
Personally, I'm interested in sitting through town council meetings and reading the 404-page Town of Barnstable budget. But others might not find so much paper so interesting.
Secara pribadi, saya tertarik mengikuti rapat Dewan Kota dan membaca anggaran kota Barnstable yang sangat panjang. Namun, tidak semua orang menganggap itu adalah hal yang menarik.
However, motivation can be found in everything that you do. I like to look at it in terms of finding motivation as just putting yourself in someone else's shoes. When you're questioning, why do I have to do this? Why do I have to put in the time? Why do I have to put in the effort? You can just look at what you're doing and say, this helps this person because, or this person is going to appreciate my effort and my motivation on this task because. And I've always found that appreciation that others have for the effort that you put in, that's what motivates me. The fact that someone's going to appreciate what I.
Motivasi sebenarnya bisa ditemukan dalam semua hal yang kita lakukan. Saya melihatnya sebagai kemampuan untuk menempatkan diri pada posisi orang lain. Saat kita bertanya, kenapa kita harus melakukan sesuatu, kita bisa melihat bahwa apa yang kita lakukan akan membantu orang lain. Dan bagi saya, apresiasi dari orang lain itu bisa menjadi sebuah motivasi.
So when the teacher gives you a paper or something to do and you say, this is stupid, I have better things to do, I'd much rather go outside and throw a football, whatever it is, look at it and say, this person is going to appreciate the work. This person put in the effort to create the assignment. Now they're going to see it and they're going to appreciate it.
Jadi ketika guru memberi tugas dan kita merasa itu tidak penting, kita harus mengubah cara pandang kita. Kita bisa melihat bahwa guru sudah berusaha membuat tugas tersebut. Jadi ketika kita mengerjakannya, guru pasti akan mengapresiasi usaha kita.
And I do that in every assignment that I'm given and everything that is ever brought before me. And that's always something that I think we need to go out and look at when we go out to tackle an issue.
Saya mencoba menerapkan cara ini dalam setiap tugas yang saya terima. Dan ini adalah hal penting yang perlu kita lakukan saat menghadapi suatu masalah ataupun tantangan.